Hello, I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive, and today I had a crazy day at the shop. So crazy that I was almost killed by a car. Come with me and I'll tell you all about it. So I'm thankful to be pulling in my driveway right now because at the shop, this Honda Odyssey here was towed in and it tried to kill me. So on this vehicle, it was a crank no start. That's all I knew about the vehicle. So I suspected that the timing belt was broken, so I was in the process of checking it out. So I was pulling the timing belt cover back right here because this engine didn't appear to have compression, and I had my coworker crank it, and as I was watching the timing belt here to see if it was spinning, this intake just fucking exploded on me. The most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. And I was standing right here, and the intake hit the prop rod, and the prop rod saved me from taking the blunt of that in the face. So it turns out a couple teeth on the timing belt had broken off, causing this engine to be out of time, and the tow truck driver or the owner kept cranking, and basically filling up the engine with fuel. So all the fuel and vapors from all that cranking stored up in the engine here, and then when I went to crank it, because the engine is mistimed, it backfired through the intake manifold. So I'm standing here like this, and I'm peeling the timing cover back, looking down right here, and the explosion happened, and by the luck of God, it hit the prop rod in here, and then I felt the pressure wave hit, and it blew me back like this, and these pieces, they went flying, they hit the wall behind me. So 30 years of working on vehicles, and I've never seen or experienced anything like that, nor has I known anybody that has seen or experienced anything like this. I'm curious to see what horror stories you guys have, so leave those stories down in the description. That'd be fun to read. I'm Brian Essick, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe. Thank you again for watching.